All right, this is about a little short review of the Lisle, I think that's how you pronounce it, relay puller. Here's some relays right there. Anybody ever try to take these out, you know how tough they are because there's not very much room. See, there they are right there. And trying to get needle nose pliers on them is tough. Trying to get your fingers in there is even harder. Damn near impossible. So let me pull one out and show you. Well, first of all, see how narrow this is? Oh, I can't even see it in this light. Where's the damn thing? Okay, where is it? There it is, sorry. I was too close to it. Very narrow, thin plier part. And then it goes down like this. Let's see if I got it on there. Yeah, there it is. Again, apologize for the bad video. And then you get it down in that little gap and you pull. And see? Out it comes. As soon as I can get the camera on it, there it is. See? Out it comes. Went in that little slot right there. Gosh darn it. See, I'm in a bright sun. I can't see what I'm looking at. There. That's where it went. Right there. Now this also works on the bigger relays right there. They come out easier. But if you're trying to pull relays out of a relay box, get yourself that tool. It'll pull them out easily without damaging them. Whew, man, bright sun, can't hardly see what I'm doing. But there you go. Sorry for the crappy video yet again. Figure out how to turn this off. Maybe you can't see it.